Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny armor and a kind smile, lived in a cozy castle with round towers and colorful flags. His best friend was Sparky, a little dragon with bright green scales and big friendly eyes. Sparky had a funny problem. His hiccups made tiny rainbow-colored bubbles. These weren't ordinary bubbles. Each tiny bubble that popped played a different musical note, some high and tinkly, others low and boomy. Sometimes, Sparky got nervous about his hiccups, especially when they came unexpectedly. "Oh dear," he'd say, his voice a little shaky, "my musical hiccups are starting again." One sunny morning, Sparky was playing in the royal garden, chasing colorful butterflies with fluttery wings. Suddenly, hic, a tiny shimmering bubble floated into the air and popped with a sweeting. Hic, another bubble appeared, playing a deeper bong. Sparky's hiccups came faster and faster, each bubble singing a different tune. He covered his snout with his claws, worried he was making too much noise. Sir Reginald, who was nearby watering the bright red roses, heard the musical bubbles. He chuckled and walked over to Sparky. "Those are lovely bubbles, my friend," he said with a warm smile. "Each one sounds like a different bell." Sparky looked up, his eyes still a little sad. "But what if they bother someone?" he whispered. Sir Reginald tapped his chin thoughtfully. He said. "What if we didn't try to stop the hiccups, but instead, we listened to the music they make?" Sparky tilted his head, curious. Sir Reginald continued. "Maybe we can even make a special song with your bubbly hiccups." So every time Sparky hiccuped, Sir Reginald listened carefully. He would point to the sky for a high note and pat the ground for a low one. They started to arrange the musical bubbles in a special order. "Hic, tick," went a little bubble. "Hic, top," went a bigger one. "Hic, hic, tick, 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 twang," sang two smaller bubbles. Soon they had created a beautiful melody, a bubble symphony played entirely by Sparky's hiccups. The birds in the trees chirped along, and the fluffy bunnies in the grass twitched their noses to the rhythm. Even the grumpy old badger, who lived under the big oak tree, tapped his foot to the catchy tunes. Sparky wasn't scared of his hiccups anymore. He realized that even something unexpected could be turned into something wonderful with a little bit of creativity and a good friend. Sir Reginald smiled. He knew that working together and finding the good in everything was the best music of all. From that day on, whenever Sparky had the hiccups, he and Sir Reginald would compose new bubble symphonies for all their friends in the kingdom to enjoy. They learned that even hiccups could be a reason to celebrate. And that's like finding out that the color orange got its name from the fruit. Sometimes, the most surprising things have the simplest explanations.
Please subscribe. Thank you.